Millions of people start their day with a cup of coffee, tea, or an energy drink. But have you ever wondered what caffeine is doing inside your brain? How does this tiny molecule make you feel alert and focused? And why do some people feel jittery after drinking too much? Let's dive into the science of caffeine. To understand caffeine's effect, we need to talk about a molecule called adenosine. This chemical builds up in your brain throughout the day, making you feel tired. Normally, adenosine binds to its receptors, slowing down brain activity and signaling that it's time to rest. But when you drink coffee, caffeine enters your bloodstream and sneakily disguises itself as adenosine. It binds to adenosine receptors. But instead of making you sleepy, it blocks adenosine's effects. This keeps your brain firing on all cylinders, making you feel awake and alert. But that's not all. Caffeine also increases dopamine activity, the brain's feel-good neurotransmitter. Dopamine is linked to pleasure, motivation, and focus. This is why caffeine not only wakes you up, it can boost your mood and make you feel happier. However, this dopamine boost also plays a role in caffeine dependence. The more you drink coffee, the more your brain gets used to this extra dopamine, which can lead to cravings and mild addiction. Ever feel your heart racing after too much coffee? That's because caffeine stimulates the release of adrenaline, the fight or flight hormone. Adrenaline speeds up your heart rate, increases blood flow, and makes you feel more alert. But too much adrenaline can make you anxious, jittery, or even nauseous. That's the downside of drinking one too many cups. Caffeine doesn't disappear instantly. It has a half-life of about 5 hours. This means if you drink a cup of coffee at 4 p.m., half of that caffeine is still in your system by 9 p.m. No wonder it messes with sleep. People with fast metabolism break down caffeine quickly, while others, especially those sensitive to caffeine, may feel its effects for hours longer. If you drink caffeine daily, your brain adapts by creating more adenosine receptors. This means you need more caffeine to feel the same effect. This is called caffeine tolerance. And when you suddenly quit caffeine, adenosine floods your receptors, causing withdrawal symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and brain fog. But caffeine isn't all bad. Studies suggest that moderate caffeine intake may protect the brain from Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. It also improves focus, enhances reaction time, and may even boost athletic performance. However, excessive caffeine can lead to anxiety, digestive issues, and disrupted sleep. The key is moderation. Most experts recommend staying under 400 milligrams of caffeine per day. That's about 4 cups of coffee. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Caffeine originally evolved as a natural insecticide. It helps plants defend themselves by paralyzing or killing insects that try to eat them. So, in a way, humans are kind of hacking nature by using caffeine to stay awake. So, whether you love your morning coffee or prefer a cup of tea, now you know what caffeine is doing inside your brain. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science content.